Hey everyone, you're sitting down, scrolling through your phone, and you see an ad for Rocket Money. It promises to save you hundreds of dollars a year on your bills. Intrigued, you click on the ad, but then you're hit with a question: what bank is Rocket Money? Today, we're going to answer that question and dive deep into what Rocket Money actually is and how it can help you save money. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you manage your finances more efficiently. It's not a bank, but it works closely with banks to provide you with valuable financial insights. Think of it as a personal financial assistant that helps you keep track of your spending, identify areas where you can save money, and even negotiate bills. How does Rocket Money work? Link your accounts. The first step is to link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts to Rocket Money. This allows the app to track your transactions and provide you with a comprehensive overview of your finances. Identify savings opportunities. Rocket Money uses advanced algorithms to analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can save money. This could include subscriptions you're no longer using, recurring charges that can be negotiated, or opportunities to refinance your debt. Negotiate bills. One of Rocket Money's most popular features is its bill negotiation service. If you have bills that you think are too high, Rocket Money can help you negotiate with your service providers to get a better deal. Track your progress. As you use Rocket Money, you can track your progress and see how much money you've saved over time. This can be a great motivator to continue using the app and making smart financial decisions. Is Rocket Money safe? A common question people ask is whether Rocket Money is safe. The short answer is yes. Rocket Money is a secure platform. It uses advanced security measures to protect your financial information, and it is compliant with industry standards. The benefits of using Rocket Money. Using Rocket Money can offer several benefits, including saving money. The primary benefit of using Rocket Money is the potential to save money on your bills and expenses. Improving financial organization. Rocket Money can help you get a better handle on your finances by providing you with a clear overview of your spending. Negotiating bills. Rocket Money's bill negotiation service can help you save money on your bills. Tracking your progress. By tracking your progress, you can see how much money you've saved and stay motivated to continue using the app. Is Rocket Money right for you? Rocket Money is a great tool for anyone who wants to save money and improve their financial management. However, it may not be the best option for everyone. If you're already very organized with your finances and don't feel the need for a personal financial assistant, Rocket Money may not be necessary. Conclusion. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, Rocket Money is not a bank. It's a personal finance app that can help you save money and improve your financial management. If you're looking for a way to take control of your finances and potentially save hundreds of dollars a year, Rocket Money is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.